Hey guys, this is Sani123 and welcome back to my channel.
Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot.
Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Love Yourself Answer Epiphany comeback trailer. Yeah, this is one of Jin's solos. So I was pretty excited for this after I have done Singularity. Now I'm doing Epiphany and now later on I'm going to do the Jimin's one. I think it was Love Yourself Her. I will check that out. First I'll react to this. So let's start reacting to this. Start the reaction to this. Okay. Okay, logo. Okay, it's Jin sitting there. Okay, wait. He is sitting there and there's somebody else also there. Okay. It's him only. What? Two people. Maybe it's like a time swap. It's his past self or something. Maybe. Let's see this move. Okay. Okay. Love the piano keys which are starting the song. Like really, it's going to be nice, fun. Let's see. Epiphany. It's going to be emotional most probably. Okay, Jin. Okay, the start of this song. Okay, the piano is going like this, and then his voice, Jin's voice, is like, okay, it's all black and white. Maybe it's the past self or something, or maybe he's thinking this, and that person is he's inside this mind or something. Maybe he's saying it's weird. I surely loved you so much. He's talking about the girl. I think the girl he is in a relationship with. Epiphany is like the feeling. Maybe he just found out something. Okay, maybe it's like that. Okay, he loved her so much. Okay. I love the decor also in his dress. Okay, it's going with the decor. Okay, but then he said that I adapted myself. He has changed himself in a relationship. Many people do that, but to be compatible, but not I think it's like not totally change yourself fully or forget yourself. Maybe it's like that. Okay, don't forget yourself. Oh my god, this is crazy. He has changed himself so much that it's like it's a storm inside his heart, that he has changed himself totally and he's not himself anymore. He's like a smiling mask he has put on for her. So the relationship is not going well. Okay, I'll reveal it entirely. He's like, want to reveal it, but I want to become myself again. I think that's what it is. That's why it's answer. Oh my god, the way he said, I'm the one I should love in this world. It's like in this world is like he is waving his voice like a wave. It's going like that, which is tremendous. Like really, this guy's vocals, he's the best. Shining his precious soul of mine. Like, I'm the one I should love. My soul. That is, love yourself first. Okay, now I get it. Okay, this line, I have realized this, that I should love myself first and then someone else. So it's like, okay, he's getting the epiphany now. Now I get this. Like, okay, so oh my god, the way he said I love me. My god, he's just doing this right now. Okay. Just loving this. Okay, the solos, man. Not so perfect, but so cute. Man. when he's saying this line, he's looking at himself, which is really nice portrayal, because he's looking at himself, he's saying that I'm the one I should love first. Okay, this the going of the MV is pretty nice. It's going with the lyrics very well. And I'm liking the changeover from the black and white to so much color, because as he's getting the epiphany, the color is coming back to his life, which is pretty nice. Nicely portrayed. Love it. Now he's going out. Okay. Okay, there is a. Okay, now it's going to be raining. Okay. It's going to be raining. Alright, alright. I'm going to see you. Okay, Jin now. Okay. Love the raindrops, man. It's in the music. I'm really loving the music. It's going so well with the song, the vocals of this guy. Really. I love guitars also, so it is there. So. Okay, as soon as the music stopped, the thunder came. Okay, this is so well, man. Oh, look at him. Look at Brain. Whoa. Okay, it's like diamonds on his skin. Like, oh god. Okay. Oh, I love this effect when the raindrops just go back. Like, I love it. They do it with the lighting. Oh, and they showed it in this. Like, really, it's like coming back, going back in the past, I think. That's why the rain is going back. He was wet right now. It's going to be what? What is going to happen? I want to love them in this world. Like what? Them meaning myself and everybody else, or what? Me first, I think. Shining me the precious soul of mine. I think it's the same thing. This voice. Okay, he's coming back from the rain. He had the epiphany then, I think, when the water went back, I think. And then they're showing how he got it. And he's thinking about it, what happened before. Which is really nice, because he's sitting there, he's coming back and like, okay, nice. It's like a circle of life. Oh my god, this guy. This is so nice. Not so perfect, but so beautiful. It's like he's not totally narcissistic to love yourself. He's saying that you have to love yourself, not be totally proud about it. Not so perfect. He knows that he's not perfect, but he's beautiful. That's his soul is beautiful, which is a difference between narcissism and loving yourself. So he did that compartmentalization also, man. Okay, love this. Okay, my god, Jin, look at Jin. Okay, he's blonde. Okay, I'm really partial to blonde Jin, but here, like, his voice, it's like, it's, the background singing is also there somewhere, but the voice which is coming is like blowing my mind. Really, really blowing my mind. And close up Jin's face is also helping me. Like, really. Oh, it's like when you are looking outside and you're thinking about stuff. You do that normally, and they showed that also, the thinking part. Most of the thing is him thinking about it, which is like an answer to what Singularity showed, I think. Maybe because in Singularity it was like he was waiting for the hope, he was not thinking about it. Here he was trying to grasp that he himself should love himself and then think about the other girl, not be totally like, okay, maybe. That's it. He has killed me. He has killed that. Okay. He is crazy. And he's looking, it's going back from color to black and white again. So I think his thought process is going back. Okay. This is good, man. The way they showed it in a only in a room and then him going outside in that. Okay. This is so nice. Oh man, this is so okay. Oh God, seriously, he's like, okay, he has changed his clothes now. He has put a jacket on top of it. I think they're showing it what we saw in the beginning of the video. He was going somewhere wearing something, right? So now they're showing that from the beginning to the end of the MV. They have shown it like that. Oh my God. I did not realize that at first. Man, he's not sitting there now. He's actually going. Okay, it's like a loop. Nice. The music is just killing me though. It's still back here to looking at himself. Okay. Maybe he's going to go outside or is he going to sit there? Okay. What? What is going to happen? I love that footsteps I used. Now he's going out again. Okay. Okay. Alright then. This is good, man. Love yourself first. That's what is important. I love their messages, man. That's why BTS are what they are. Okay, this more. Okay, I have seen this. Where have I seen it? It was in Run. It was in Run. Oh man, the connections they have. Okay, the MV is connected to that one. Okay then. Okay. This was really good. I'm going to do, I think, Serendipity next. So if you like my reaction to this, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With